Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Transylvania County in western North Carolina, central Henderson County in western North Carolina, south central Buncombe County in western North Carolina, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Brevard, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hendersonville, Brevard, Arden, Mills River, Fletcher, Etowah, Mountain Home, Laurel Park, Looking Glass, and Asheville Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Buncombe, Henderson, and Transylvania. The National Weather Service in Greenville